Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning a song called At My Worst by Pink Sweats. As usual, if you have any questions, just reach out to us and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Alright, first let's deal with the most important thing about the song, the chord progression. And the chord progression is very simple because it's only 4 chords repeating itself throughout the entire song, just maybe with a different picking or strumming pattern depending on what section you're currently on. So, what are the 4 chords? Well, the first bar is C major, and then we have an A minor, and then we have a D minor, and then we have a G. So just playing your chords like this with a single strum for each bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just playing it like this already gives you the pre-chorus section of the song. Now the rest of the song has a picking pattern on the right hand, which is what we're going to cover right now. So first of all, we're going to use our thumb, index, middle, and ring fingers, yeah? So for the C major chord, we're going to keep our thumb on the 5th string, index on the 4th, middle on the 3rd, ring finger on the 2nd. So this is what the picking pattern sounds like. Yeah? So you're going to thumb, pluck, thumb, thumb, pluck. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, so it's quite simple. So once again, it is thumb, pluck, thumb, thumb, pluck. Now, the additional thing is on the 2 and the 4 counts, I'm also doing a slap with my right hand. And the way I do the slap is I use the side of my thumb, I just rotate my hand outwards, and I come inwards. And I slap the 6th string or the 5th string against the fretboard of the guitar. So altogether, the picking pattern will sound something like this. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Thank you for watching. If you want to check out the full video lesson, please visit libertyparkmusic.com, where we have online guitar courses available for streaming 24/7. Our courses are for beginners all the way to advanced players, and we have courses like Intro to Guitar, Jazz Guitar, and we have song lessons as well so you can learn your favorite songs. So if you want to try out Liberty Park Music for free for 30 days, sign up with us today.